Hey, it's another episode of Smitty's Hot Rod Garage. As you already know, we acquired this 1969 Pontiac Le Mans GTO Doge. And what a car it is. So we're coming into the garage, we're going to do some upholstery work. As you can see, I've been taking the door panels out and everything. It has a white seat. And we're going to, and I took the back seat out also. And as you can see, the floors, they all look good. So anyways, we got a new hood coming. And at Smitty's Hot Rod Garage here, I'm going to be doing some upholstery work. As you can see, this is the back seat, partially. This is the top part. And it's pretty much tore up. Pasted together with tape from age, of course. Well, we have a brand new upholstery to go on this seat, and it is also white, which matches the white that is inside the car. So anyways, this 1969 Pontiac is going to get some new upholstery today. And that's what I'm working on. So from Smitty's Hot Rod Garage, let's talk to you later.